Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSc Tech. In today's video I will be explaining if for some reason your MacBooks or Mac's Wi-Fi is not working, how you can fix this issue. It's a very common problem. The last option is to change the Wi-Fi hardware itself, but before you go for a hardware replacement, you should give it a try and see if you can fix this problem without spending your money. So the first thing I would suggest is to boot your MacBook into the safe mode and follow these steps. In order to boot into your safe mode screen, you need to restart your Mac, and as soon as you click on the restart, you have to wait for the system to turn off, and you have to wait for the boot up sound, and as soon as you hear that, you can click on the shift, and now you have to wait for the system to completely boot up. You have to keep holding shift key till you see the boot logo bar on your screen, and as soon as you see that, you can let go your shift button. As you can see that the screen is now showing this boot bar, and this will basically take you through the boot process, and the machine will automatically boot into the safe mode. Once you are into the safe mode, we will go in the system preference in order to check the network settings, and if the Wi-Fi is still not working in safe mode, then we have to go for the terminal command method, which I will explain later in this video, so keep watching. So as you can see on screen, I will zoom this area. As you can see on screen, the machine is finally booted into safe mode. We will enter the password, and then we will log in, and we will try to see. In most cases, when your machine is rebooted into safe mode, the system will automatically detect the Wi-Fi, and don't worry about these lines. Depending on the model to model, they will appear, and if there is any issue with the Wi-Fi, you'll not be able to see that on the systems. As you can see that we are now into the safe mode, and the Wi-Fi has finally appeared. Sometimes when you reboot into safe mode, your Wi-Fi comes back, and then you can restart your machine as normal. And before you do that, let me show you in the system and preference network, and in the network section, as you can see that the Wi-Fi is there. If it's not appeared, then you can move on to the next step, and what basically you do is, in order to come out of safe mode, you have to simply restart. Then we will move towards the next step, which is basically using the terminal commands. Very easy and straightforward, guys, so keep watching the video and I will explain that how you can do that. So guys, the machine is finally boot up, and we are back on the main screen. From here we have to open terminal. Terminal can easily be found in the launchpad area. You can scroll down. If you don't find it, you can simply click on the search bar and type terminal, and the terminal will appear. And once you open terminal, the first thing you need to type in order to check your Wi-Fi presence, if it's still active and there's only a software issue, not a hardware issue, you have to type netstat, not S. So that will give you a list of packets available. Then the next thing is you have to type this command, which I've given in the description below. You have to type this command. This will basically disable your Wi-Fi. If for some reason your Wi-Fi is not enabled and you type this command, and there is some sort of malfunction or troubleshooting required, then this will basically switch off your Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is basically switched off, and if you retype this command and instead of off you put on, it will basically enable your Wi-Fi again, unless it's a hardware issue, or if it's a Wi-Fi antenna which you definitely need replacing, that's a different issue. I recommend you try these first, and if this fixes your problem, do let us know in the comment section below. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know in the comment section below. Take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.